Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel RideNexus. Subscribe my channel. Start with a dramatic shot of the car in the desert setting. Welcome to a blend of unparalleled British luxury and raw, untamed aggression. This isn't your grandfather's Bentley. This is a wide-body Bentley Continental GT, reimagined for the modern, audacious connoisseur. At its core, it's the legendary Bentley Continental GT, a grand tourer known for its W12 or V8 power and handcrafted interior. But the most striking feature is this aggressive wide-body conversion. This is a dramatic aftermarket kit, likely from a specialist tuner like Vade Design, Prior Design, or Valeside, transforming the sleek GT into a muscular, road-dominating beast. Focus on the added elements. Look at those immensely flared front and rear fenders, or quarter panels. They add significant width, giving it a much more aggressive stance than the factory car wheels. The wide fenders are necessary to house these massive, deep-dish forged alloy wheels fitted with performance tires that fill the wheel arches perfectly. Mention the other aerodynamic additions. Up front, the car features a revised front bumper with a prominent splitter, and we see vented hood or fender details, bonnet vents, which hint at the potent engine underneath. The V8, for instance, typically produces around 542 horsepower and 568 pounds-ft of torque, capable of 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The modifications would likely include a custom stainless steel exhaust system to unleash an even more aggressive soundtrack from that legendary Bentley engine. Thanks for watching and subscribe.